Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today I'm going to, excuse the wobbling, I'm going to be showing you 5 stamping plates, a scraper, and a stamper that I got from Beautybigbang off of Amazon for $13, $12.99. This is the stamper I got, Beautybigbang. I'm really super happy with it. I'm not happy with the smudge mark that's underneath right there. I'm going to have to wash it and see if I can get it to come out. Lid doesn't want to stay down on it too well. Scraper, the usual. I'm going to start with these plates here. We have Beautybigbang XL007. It is the unicorn plate. I really like this. This will be great for the next unicorn collaboration. It's got a bunch of different themes on it. We got the individual unicorns at the top. And clouds. All the usual. Bunch of unicorns here. Oh, one that says Believe. Unicorn. Magic. Really cute, really super cute plate. Really glad I got this one in the group. Next up is the Indian plate, Beautybigbang XL009. It's got peacock feathers over here. It's got a bunch of images here that'll be great for an Indian theme. Some arrows. I really like this plate. I am Cherokee Indian, so this kind of ties in with my heritage. Excited about using this one. Next up is Beautybigbang XL006. I like this plate a lot too because of the puzzle right here. This will be great for autism awareness. This image here you could use for negative space, or even this one. So I'm excited about that. Like the images up here. If you'd like me to swatch these plates out for you in single videos, leave me a comment down below and let me know. Be glad to do that for you. Beautybigbang XL003. I really like this plate here because of the tree and the butterflies there. That'll be great. I like this tree here. 2 different rows of images here. We got some daisies, 4-leaf clovers, some butterflies. Another, it looks like it could be another tree image there. No reverse stamping here really, but some of the other ones you could. This one you can. This is my favorite plate. This is a puppy, a dog and a kitty plate. Dogs and cats, puppies and kitties. So this will be great for a collaboration too. You could do some reverse stamping on this plate. We got the dog and the cat together here with their bone and their fish scales. He looks like a little gangster cat there. I think this is a really great plate. Got some cats climbing on some chains. This one here I'm not too sure about. It's got the Tweety bird here, and I'm assuming that's the cat. I don't know. The mouse, I don't know. Have to go back and watch Tom and Jerry and remember. Really cute images on these plates. Check them out on Amazon. I did a search for Beautybigbang. Scrolled through. Found this great deal. And yeah, for $12.99. And I got Amazon Prime, so you got free shipping. So you can't go wrong there. It was a great deal. So yeah, check that out. I wish I had the link for you, but I don't. Here is the bag the scraper came in. I don't know if you can see that code. There was no other code on the stampers. So there's 2 kind, but I'm going to give you KG070402. So yeah, it's made in China, comes from China. So Beautybigbang on Amazon. Check them out. Order you some stuff. I don't have a code, so I'm sorry. No 10% off. I'll have to get with Pumpkin and get her code. Check this out. Thanks for watching my video. Please come back. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment down below. If you're new here, please subscribe. To all my other subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for being here. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you. Have a blessed day. Thank you.